In this video, I will show you how to find the volume of the cylinder by triple integrals. So if we look carefully about 3D, we can see that the cylinder that is on the red one and the green one that is above the blue plane in here. So we have x plus 2y plus number 2. The question they want to find the volume in this location in here between x equals to number 0, y equals to number 0, and z equals to number 0. So from this one, we can see that we have x and z. That means we need to transform about y. So we put x go to the right, then we divide both sides by number 2. So the bound of y that is from this one and number 0 in here. So we can create the triple integrals. So we have y from 0 to 2 minus x over number 2. Now we need to focus about x and z. So if we graph about this one, we can see that this one that is about the circle. So the radius of this one that is about number 3. So the question they want to find first octant that is about this one. So this is number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Now we can see that about ds, and we can see that we have dz. So in this one, I need to change a little bit going here. So here is about dz, and we have this one in here. So we put s square go to the right. And because this is the positive side of z, so we need to select the positive side in here. So in this one, dz from 0 to the square root of 9 minus s squared. About ds from 0 to number 3. And this is the volume we need to calculate in here. So about dy, this is so simple. This one you got about y. And later that we put the bounds from 0 to 2 minus s over number 2. So we put this one go in here and number 0 go in here. Now for the next one, we can use about polar coordinate. So I will put about s that is about r cosine theta, and z equals to r sine theta. And we have s squared plus z squared that is about r squared. So when we put this one go in here and this one go in here, when you simplify, you got this one. And based on the graph, we can see that all data from number 0 to number 3. And data, we can see that they start at number 0 and they stop at b over 2. So they should be like this. And the next one, dz, ds, we can transform into r, dr, d data. And now we need to calculate this one. S, that is about r cosine data divided by number 2. dz, ds, that is about r, dr, d data. About dr from 0 to number 3. D data from 0 to b over 2. And we need to calculate this one. So number 2 divided by number 2, we have number 1. So in this case, we have r. This one, we have r squared over number 2. But we have another number 2, so we have number 4. Oh, sorry, I made the mistake. We have r in here. So this one, that should be like this. So number 3 and number 2, we have number 6. And now we put number 3 go in here, number 0 go in here. So we can simplify this one. So for this one, we have 9 over number 2. And the next one, we have number 9 over number 2. The integral of this one, we have data. This one, we have sine. And now we put the bounds from 0 to b over 2. So we put b over 2 go in here. And this one, we have 9b over number 4 minus 9 over 2. And that is the answer for the question. This is the end. Thank you for watching.